My name is Kenneth, and I've been with SleepSafe Beds now going on 10 years. I run components for the bed.
Hi, my name is Adam Walters. I've worked here going on over a year now. I'm in the woodworking department, and we process the posts and also finishing. We get the posts completely unfinished. We cut them to size depending on the specs of the bed.
Every component has to stand up to a certain size, width, length. It's got to be sanded proper. After it's cut to length, sanded, radius, and it's ready, we finish it.
It'll go through a finishing process of top coats.
We'll put one coat of lacquer, which we call a seal coat. So that seals it. And after it dries, we'll bring it back and we'll scuff it, make sure it's really smooth. Then we'll go back to the spray booth and spray another coat of lacquer on it.
The lacquer is non-toxic once it's cured, and it's full cure after 48 hours. So once it leaves our shop, it's non-toxic. We like to get that post as smooth and presentable as we possibly can. So it's a fine woodworking skill to get the wooden posts to where they are when they leave the shop.
When I first come to work here, I didn't know what SleepSafe was. I started reading postcards coming down from the office up here that the customers were sending back to SleepSafe, thanking us and showing us pictures of how happy their children was to have one of our beds. I absolutely love it.
I know if we can improve someone's life by just a little bit, it makes me feel great.
As far as I'm concerned, I'm gonna be here forever.